Jeff, Steve, Performance EDU. We're going to go over 4 movements on the TRX, our bread and butter here at EDU from a training tool. Nick's going to get into a squat position here. We call these our squat moves with the TRX. Hands are going to be resting right underneath the armpits, really nice and tall. Heels are back down towards the ground. He's going to sit his hips down towards his heels, and then he's going to punch right back up, locking out the knees, punching the heels back down towards the ground. Coming right back up, holding that position right there. Everything's nice and flat. We're in good positioning. We're going to go right on to the next one. Second movement, we're going to get into a lunge pattern. Everything's going to stay the same. He's just going to load up through that left hip. He's going to drop back through that right leg, and then he's going to extend right back up. Perfect. Dropping back down, loading that left hip, and then coming right back through my hand. Perfect. Loading back through that left hip, and then coming right back through my hand and relax. Perfect. We're going to get right into a push-up position here. We're going to get into a lower body rotational movement. So Nick's going to get into a push-up position. He's going to drive his knees right up into his torso, holding that position. We're going to get into a little rotation here. We're going to go right to left, but we're going to control that. A lot of stability in the torso, a lot of stability up in there in the shoulders as well. One more after this here, Nick, and relax. Perfect. Last one, lateral plank. One of my favorite ones to do, especially for skiers on this one. We're going to get into a lateral position. We're going to stack the feet right up on top of each other. Coming down on that right elbow, Nick's going to bring the hips up. I'm going to mimic his hips to come forward a little bit. He's going to drop that hip down on the ground and come back up nice and slow. A lot of stability in the downward glute, but also a lot of stability in that torso. These are 4 movements that we love on the TRX.